everyone, so ngayon is magre-review tayo ng kanta ni Ed Sheeran both, and tingnan natin kung ano nga bang meron dito sa bagong music video ni Ed Sheeran. Okay.
Came in for the embers, stayed out for the breeze. I need to feel elements to remind me.
So kala ko naka-suit siya.
Beauty when it's bleak. Stuck out long before lights down.
Ang galing ng mga
Where do
words niya.
I breathe? Oh,
Lumilipad
I
talaga
know.
sa likod niya.
The more that I love, the less that I feel. The times that I jump
Kapag nasa
never
tubig ka,
were
parang
real. They say that all
lahat ng
stars
galit mo din sa
heal, but I
ways na
know
tatama sa'yo.
maybe I won't, but the waves won't break
Ito, ang astig nito.
my boat.
Yung kilos niya is normal, pero yung
But the waves
ang bilis niya magsalita dyan.
break my boat.
Oh, nakita niyo yung difference nung effects na yun. Sobrang slow mo,
Stones crash on
pero
the
ang bilis,
boardwalk.
normal lang yung salita niya.
Wind rush through the trees. I keep my eyes peeled.
So,
The
sobrang
memories
ganda siya
always
ng
fall short
salita niya.
of what we
Para
could have
bumilis
been.
yung salita niya. Sumakot.
Left out long before last call. What do I need? Oh, I know. The more that I love, the less that I feel. The times that I jump
Pamigyan ko yung
never were real. Say that all scars heal, but I know maybe I won't, but the waves won't break my boat.
won't break my
But the waves
won't break my
won't
bones.
break my boat. But the waves won't break my
Makita mo yung
boat.
things na nagtra-drop sa paligid
Won't break
kapag natanggal
my boat.
yung bone.
The more that I love, the less that I feel. The times that I jumped never were real. They say that all scars will heal, but I know maybe I won't, and the waves won't break my boat.
Well, so anong masasabi mo sa kanta? Well, I can say that this is a really touching song. And
Araw-araw grocery brands mo.
talagang iyon ang ang pinakamatinding struggle sa isang buhay. But the wave won't break my boat. So tayo is meron tayo kanya-kanyang boats na binibuild pala sa buhay, sabi ni Ed Sheeran. And ito yung reason bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng sadness.
Stayed out for the breeze. I need to feel
We need to feel.
elements to remind me
Maganda yung kanta, as in,
there's beauty when it's bleak.
hindi, yung commercialize. Talagang related to sa buhay ni Ed Sheeran. So, I guess, guys, I could rate you, this song is really a nice song to para pakinggan. And I can rate it 9. Dahil, yung mga simple lang naman yung yung ah, video, pero maganda siya pampatulog sa gabi. So 9 dahil nakakaantok siya. Hindi, pampatulog siya. And alam mo yun, sana ito meron na siyang 156 3 million views in 5 days. Kaya guys, naniniwala ako dito sa kantang to na ginawa ni Ed Sheeran. Anyway, this for my rating. My commentator, lahat na likes and subscribe GK Versoza videos.